Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch ESPN Plus on your smart TV. So you can open your Google Play Store on your smart TV and then you can install the ESPN application on your Google Play Store. So to install the ESPN, you can simply go to the search bar on the top right corner and you can type in ESPN. So you can go open the ESPN application and here you can install the application. So after the application is installed, you can open the app. So on the app, as you can see, we have now logged in and you can select any video that you want to watch to stream it live. So if you want to stream any video on your ESPN Plus, you can simply go to that particular video. As you can see, there are a lot of live games right now playing on the ESPN Plus. So I'm gonna go to ESPN Plus and play this live sports channel right now. And the game is now streaming. And as you can see, the game is now playing and it is live on my smart TV. So this is how you can watch ESPN Plus on your smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.